What is going on, you guys? This is Chris the Creator coming at you with a full unboxing and review of this life-size Chucky doll. This doll can be purchased at your local Spencer's. The price is $100 USD. And like I said, it is a full-size replica. You cannot get this Chucky doll anywhere else. And if you get it anywhere else, it's probably going to be double or triple the price. Now let's go into this full unboxing and review. First, let's start off with looking at the box itself. We're going to go ahead and look at the front and the sides and possibly the top, just so you guys can see what is all included on the box, the cool imagery and graphics that are displayed. There is a window where you can actually see the Chucky doll. He can stare right at you, giving you them creepy vibes. On the side, there are 3 different characters that Chucky poses as. And on the other side of the box, there's another 3 separate characters that Chucky poses as well as some text that adds to the authenticity of this Chucky doll. The reason I got this Chucky doll is because I've been a fan of Child's Play ever since I was young enough to see that movie. That movie came out before I was born, but it has always been a childhood favorite of mine. I wanted this Chucky doll to be 100% authentic without the scars and bruises and blemishes. Not only that, I wanted to make sure that this doll would be a life-size version, because typically when you go to the stores, they don't have the full life-size version of the Chucky doll. They're always slightly smaller, or not even slightly smaller. They're a lot smaller than what this doll is. And not only that, the quality just doesn't look that good for the pricing. So for $100, this Chucky doll is definitely a good purchase to add to your collectibles. I keep this Chucky doll in my workspace. I like to look at it every once in a while. Not only that, I do like to make some video contents for you guys to check out. Now with this Chucky doll, you can see that it does have a realistic looking hair. You can move it all around. The hair kind of does get all over the place. So what I did was I added a bobbin in the hair, so that way the hair will stay out of Chucky's face, so that way you can see it more. You can see it got the baby blue or the sky blue eyes. It got the eyelashes and eyebrows are stenciled on or painted on, as you can see. The overall detail in the face is exquisite, is top notch, you guys. You cannot go wrong with picking up yourself one of these Chucky dolls. Now let's get into the clothing of this doll. With the clothing, I believe it's some type of cotton material. The trousers, I believe, are like a denim or a canvas type material. They're actual denim material. The good guy logos and graphics are printed on. They look like they could be silk screen, possibly. The good guy logo itself on the coveralls look like they could be heat pressed, but I'm not quite sure. There is a functional pocket on the trousers where you can put things in. You can put if you got a pen, you can put a pen in there. Or I got my camera lens cap. I'm gonna put my camera lens cap right in that pocket, so that way you guys can see that this is a functional pocket on this Chucky doll. On the back side of this Chucky doll, there is a Velcro strip. There is a Velcro tab or Velcro strip that's keeping the shirt closed. So you can undo that Velcro strip, which exposes the back of the Chucky. As you can see from the neck down, it's like a black plastic material, like a hard plastic. And the plastic goes all the way down to the waist area. And then that's where it leaves off at, is that waist area. It is a long sleeve shirt. Like, it's a cool pattern on here, like the traditional Chucky stripe pattern. It does have like a traditional collar on it, this red fabric right here. This is traditionally the type of material you see on t-shirts and stuff. The arms are posable. As you can see, like when I pull up the sleeve of the shirt, there's like a white fluffy material that just kind of fluffs up the arm to make it look like it's a full arm, but it's really inside the arm. There's just like a thin wire that's posable that connects to the hand of the Chucky doll in different poses. You can't pose his hands or fingers because that's just like a solid plastic mold, so there is no adjustments there to be made. Moving on down the trousers, moving down to his feet area. The shoes themselves are plastic. The shoes are actually pretty detailed if you actually look at it. The bottom of the shoes have like a cool good guy graphic on the bottom. So like if you wanted to do like a photo shoot and have the Chucky step on like some mud or something, it would leave a print. The shoelaces are real. They got the like plastic tabs at the end, just like traditional or real shoelaces, I should say. The shoes really just slip on and off easily, which exposes the foot. The foot is covered by a little, I would say that the sock is kind of rinky-dink. They could have done better with the sock to make it actually fit the foot better. But it's all right. It's whatever. The foot is not a plastic mold. It's just like some fluffed up fabric, just like the arms are. It's just like a fluffed up fabric. Same with the legs. The Chucky doll is able to stand up on its own. Inside the legs, there are thin wires, just like on the arms. But these wires, you can't bend them into place at all. They always like just snap back into place, just straight. So with this Chucky doll, unfortunately, you cannot have it in a sitting down position. It can only be in a standing position. But with my plans, I plan on keeping it inside the box. So having it stand up works perfect for me. But for some of you guys, you might want to look into other Chucky dolls that have like better posability, unless you don't mind the Chucky doll just standing in the position. So this is going to wrap it up for this Chucky doll unboxing and review. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed to this channel yet. This is a newer channel and we're trying to grow it. We're almost at the 200 subscriber mark. So please, please, please hit that subscribe button. This has been Chris the Creator. We're going to get out of here, put this Chucky doll away, and we're going to go on with the day. We will see you on the next video. Deuces.